Okay, so the next skill we're gonna just kind of remember is the distance formula. So there's a place for you to write the formula. The distance equals the square root of x minus x squared plus y minus y squared. And a lot of people have the 2 and 1 at the bottom, but it really doesn't matter what order you subtract the x's and y's in, because the square root will take care of that once you do that. So, for example, here we have calculate the distance between the point -1, 5, and 3, 9. So notice that this is the x, -1 is the x, 5 is the y, 3 is the x, 9 is the y. So we have distance equals the square root of, I'm going to pick the second x, but it really didn't matter if you picked the first one first. So 3 minus -1 squared plus 9 minus 5 squared, because those are the y's, right? So 3 minus -1 is 4. So we have the square root of 4 squared plus 9 minus 5 is 4 squared. So that equals the square root of 16 plus 16. Right? I'm going to move up here so I have more room. 16 plus 16 is 32, so the square root of 32. Now when we have a radical like this, we try to break it apart into two numbers, one that's divisible, one that has a perfect square and one that doesn't. I see here that 32 is equal to 2 times 16, so the square root of 2 times the square root of 16. And I picked 16 because 16 is a perfect square. And the square root of 16 is 4. So I get equals the square root of 2 times 4. And I'm going to put the 4 in front. So 4 times the square root of 2. Again, you can go back and watch any part of this video that you need to get the help that you need.